Assalamu alaikum students. Question is, the spherical polar coordinates of a point A are given. Find its rectangular coordinates and cylindrical coordinates. We have the relation. If we know spherical polar coordinates, then we can find out rectangular coordinates. To find the value of x, we know here the point is A, rho is equal to 3, rho is 3, theta is pi by 6 and phi is pi by 4. So x will be equal to rho, that is 3, sine of phi, phi is pi by 4, and cos of theta, theta is pi by 6. So it is equal to 3. Sine of pi by 4 is 1 by under root 2. Cos of pi by 6, it is under root 3 by 2. So it is equal to 3 under root 3 by 2 under root 2. Now y is equal to rho, which is 3, sine of phi, which is pi by 4, sine of theta, which is pi by 6. So it is 3 into 1 over under root 2, and sine of pi by 6, that is sine of 30, which is 1 by 2. So it is equal to 3 by 2 under root 2. Now see here, z is equal to rho cos of phi. Rho is 3. Cos of phi, phi is pi by 4. Pi by 4, value of pi by cos of pi by 4 is 1 by under root 2. So it is 3 by under root 2. So A has rectangular coordinates 3 under root 3 by 2 under root 2, 3 by 2 under root 2, and 3 by under root 2. Now we find cylindrical coordinates. Cylindrical coordinates relation is this. Relation is r is equal to x square plus y square, square root of x square plus y square. Here we have found x 3 under root 3 by 2 under root 2 x square. So it is 3 under root 3 by 2 under root 2 whole square plus 3 over 2 under root 2 whole square. This square will result 27 by 8 and this square results 9 by 8. Taking LCM and solving it, so it is 36 by 8 under root 36. Square root of 36 is 6 and square root of 8 is 2 under root 2, so it is 3 by under root 2. So r is equal to 3 by under root 2. Now the second component is theta, which is tan inverse of y by x. So tan inverse of y by x, y is 3 by 2 under root 2. It is x, it is y, and it is z. So it is y and it is x. So y by x will be 3 by 2 under root 2 over 3 under root 3 by 2 under root 2. So here it is tan inverse of y by x, which is this. We can solve it as we will take inverse of this. So it is inverse of this, and after simplification it has value tan inverse of 1 by under root 3, which is equal to pi by 6. Next component is z is equal to z, so z is equal to 3 by under root 2. So cylindrical coordinates are these. We solve this question. Question is the rectangular coordinates of the point A are 2, 1, minus 2. Here x is 2, y is 1 and z is minus 2. We have to find spherical polar coordinates and cylindrical polar coordinates. Here we have x is equal to 2, y is 1, z is minus 2. We know that rho is equal to x square plus y square plus z square under root. So it is equal to 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, which gives value 4 plus 1 plus 4 square root. So it is equal to 3. Now theta is tan inverse of y by x. So tan inverse of y is 1 and x is 2. So it is tan inverse of 1 by 2. Phi is equal to cos inverse of z by rho. So cos inverse of z is 2 minus 2 and rho is 3. So cos inverse of minus 2 by 3. Here we have calculated rho, which is equal to 3. We have substituted the value of rho from this equation to this equation. So rho is equal to 3. So spherical polar coordinates are these. Now we find cylindrical polar coordinates. The relation is this, r is this, theta is this and z is this. We know that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So it is 2 square plus 1 square. So it is 4 plus 1, that is under root 5. Theta is tan inverse of y by x. We know that y is this, y is 1 and x is 2. So 1 by 2, tan inverse of 1 by 2. Z is equal to z, here z is equal to minus 2. So z is equal to here minus 2. So these are cylindrical coordinates. There are 4 questions you have to solve. This is the second question. In this question, rectangular coordinates of the point are given, which are minus 5, 12 and 4. That is x is minus 5, y is 12 and z is 4. You have to find spherical polar coordinates and cylindrical polar coordinates. The same procedure we have done in the last question. So you can solve this question easily. Next question is the rectangular coordinates of the point are given. You have to find spherical and cylindrical coordinates. We have done this question earlier. Next question is cylindrical polar coordinates are given. We have to find rectangular coordinates and spherical coordinates. So cylindrical coordinates are given, that is r is equal to 4, theta is cos inverse of 4 by 5 and z is 3. You have to find rectangular coordinates. We know that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Putting values, we can solve it by putting values. Here cos square theta is written in the form of 1 minus sin square theta. So these are the questions you have to do. Solve them and practice. Now take care and Allah Hafiz.